It is a bright new morning, and the shapes are set to begin another shapy day.
What a fine day to be the best shape in the world.
That's not true. I'm the best.
What? I have more sides and you have none. Huh! There is no comparison between us.
Hey, do you guys really think any of you have any existence without me?
Oh, come on, kid. Have you forgotten your manners? When elders are speaking, children should not interfere.
You know, Mrs. Fair, our baby point is right.
Oh, Mr. Line, go and find your baby's point definition first.
Quite. We all together make up a balanced world. We all are equally important.
Ha ha.
You know what, Mrs. Surface? What you should be doing right now? Living the world with Mr. Line and your baby point in the search of your existence first.
Okay, wish granted. Stop crying, baby point.
Yes, why are you crying? Come on,
Wipe your tears.
we will definitely take our revenge.
But how?
By teaching them our importance.
Wait. We are also coming.
Can you see that car?
Yes.
4,
So what?
3, 2, 1, 0.
Now, it's gone.
See, baby point. If we do not exist, nothing will exist. One.
2.
My table?
And 3.
Oh God, my buildings.
C. Baby point V, line, point, and surface are the basis of geometry.
Without us, no construction will exist.
What just happened here?
I don't know. All the construction is gone.
Who are you? And why are you laughing at this problematic situation?
Oh, poor human. Now you will get to know our importance. But who are you guys?
Well, we are the basis of construction. As we are not on Earth, that's why there is not a single construction on Earth right now.
So please come back.
Oh, poor human beings. Not so easy.
You have to solve a very easy task to get us back on the Earth.
You have to find the definition of 3 of us.
Okay, that is so simple. I know the definition of point. A point is a dot.
No, that is not the definition. That's my physical representation.
Oh, Euclid, you are a great mathematician. Please, can you try to solve this task?
Yeah, sure. Point is that which has no part.
Wow, I liked your definition. However, this is not complete now. Define what is a part.
Yes, I know part is something that occupies area.
Area. What is area? Do I have area? Now define area.
Oh dear, that's why you are so important. To define you, we need to define many other things. We may get a longer chain of definition without an end. So, in my geometry, we take point, line, and plane as undefined term. But we can explain you with the help of physical models, like we can represent you baby point with a dot.
He's right actually. We are so important that nobody can define us. We are ultimate universal truth.
With the help of all you, we can prove many things in geometry. You know that in the world of mathematics, we have to prove things, and without you guys, this is not possible.
I am impressed by Uncle Euclid. I am coming back on Earth.